Hey there, I'm Ashley, and today we'll walk through how to integrate your WooCommerce store with Klaviyo. Integrating with WooCommerce brings profiles, order history, and catalog data into Klaviyo so that you can reach your subscribers with targeted messaging. Through the integration, you'll sync email and SMS subscribers into Klaviyo and be able to use Klaviyo forms. Let's get started. More specifically, in this video, we are going to run through how to install the Klaviyo extension in WooCommerce, and then how to enable the WooCommerce integration in Klaviyo. Before proceeding, log into your Klaviyo, WooCommerce, and WooCommerce Marketplace accounts. If you have more than one Klaviyo account, log out of the accounts that you don't want to integrate with WooCommerce. Now, let's dive in. In WooCommerce, select Extensions. Here, search for Klaviyo and select Klaviyo for WooCommerce. This will bring you to the Klaviyo extension page in the WooCommerce Marketplace. Select Free Download and then proceed to Checkout. Here, fill out any applicable information and continue on. You'll soon arrive at an order confirmation page. On this page, click Add to Site. Now, if your WooCommerce and WooCommerce Marketplace accounts are not connected, then add your store here. That said, if it is already connected, then you can simply select your site. Next, navigate back to your WooCommerce admin, and then Plugins. Scroll through the list of installed plugins to find Klaviyo, and confirm that it is activated. If not yet active, click Activate. Select Marketing from the left-hand navigation, then click Klaviyo. It's now time to connect your account. Doing so will enable the WooCommerce integration in Klaviyo. If prompted, log into the Klaviyo account you wish to integrate. Review the permissions for integrating, and once ready, approve and continue. On the Integration Settings page, confirm that your account name is correct. If you'd like to do so, check the box to Add Email Marketing Consent checkbox to your checkout page. Select a list from the dropdown under Add Email Subscribers to this list. If no lists are available in the dropdown, you'll need to create a new list in the Lists and Segments tab. Under Email Marketing Consent label, enter the consent language you wish to appear next to the checkbox on your checkout page. The default language is Sign Me Up to receive email updates and news. Next, you can check the box next to Add SMS Marketing Consent checkbox to your checkout page if you want to add this option to your WooCommerce site and you've already set up Klaviyo SMS. If you haven't set it up yet, you can always return to this page later to add your SMS settings or edit any other settings. You can do this by clicking on your account name in the lower left corner, selecting Integrations, and then selecting WooCommerce from the list. If you want to convert all future placed orders and ordered product events to a selected currency, check the box for Convert all currencies to one standard currency. Then, select your currency. When you are satisfied with these settings, select Complete Setup. Congratulations! Your WooCommerce account is integrated with Klaviyo. Now you can better understand your customers, target them with more engaging content, and as a result, boost revenue. Keep up the great work!